Alright, so little unboxing video. This is a cheaper radio. They sell these with different memory capabilities. This kit comes with like a 256 gig. It'll do Apple Play, CarPlay. This fits into the older Chryslers and Dodges. This one here is going to be installed into a nsrt4. This kit comes with a radio, a backup camera, a whole bunch of wiring. There we go. Rear view camera. Let's see what it looks like here. Good viewing on there. Alright, so here is the actual camera. 2 wires, that's a little different. Little tiny camera. Maybe you can mount this up this way or somewhere in the license plate area. Stick it up in there. Be able to get good view with it. Just gonna stick it back in the bag for now. Alright. Okay. Looks like there's the rest of the wiring. The power wire to power it, I guess. It has power. Set that off to the side. What do we got here? This looks like this is your hands-free microphone. 1/8 plug. It's got a little clip you can stick on something. We have our instruction manual. Not bad. Tells you a bunch of stuff, how to wire in the camera, the monitor. And I'm sure you could get different camera setups if you want to use something different. With this, it tells you how to open up the stuff, phone, blah, blah, blah. All the good stuff that, I guess this is the good stuff. Come on, open it. There we go. Alright, what do we got in here? So, we have what looks like to be a direct plug connector right into the harness. There is different styles. Old style, new style. I think these, I can't remember. I think it's a single pin. This is for the older ones, like Jeeps and stuff. And then there's the secondary plug for subwoofer, your microphone, and everything else. So it'll get, let's just say, I think we're using this one. So it'll get these 2 plugs into the back of the unit. What else do we got in here? They send you a adapter for the antenna if you don't have it, for the radio, and then into the Chrysler wiring. Very nice that that's included. Sometimes you end up having to buy that stuff separately. Here. Alright, so looks like it plugs in, gives you a USB connector. Yellow's usually video. Another connector that plugs into it. And this one here, here's another USB connector. And this looks like a digital or GPS antenna. Let's take a look at the unit itself. It's actually pretty small. This does not play any kind of CDs. Just kind of looks at there. There's your face. Fold this over a little bit. Get the feeling of these buttons. Well, kind of like an older OEM feel. Basically, kind of like an older OEM feel. I mean, you know, the amount of features that you get with this, you can see, here we go, GPS, looks like this is your main plug. Everything else kind of plugs in here. There's your antenna plug. So it gives you a lot of room if you have extra wiring. You can like just stick it in behind. So I'm curious to see what this thing looks like when it's powered up and installed. We got a lot of stuff here that can be installed on this radio. So let's see if this lists any kind of specifications on power output per channel. That way we can at least knock that out to see what it gives you. Okay. No, it doesn't really give anything as far as what the power output is that I can see right here. Basically just your install stuff. I'm sure that it's plenty to work for that. So that's it, man. Anything else in here? Yep, that's the box. All right. I got this one. I found these on eBay. This particular one I did order from Amazon so that I had it a lot quicker. I don't know, maybe that's the number for it, A3244, because I'm sure these are cheap made as they are made in China, and it's just a universal radio. So there's that.